Hi, everyone. Dancing with your jackals. Well, first I'd like to introduce what a jackal is, just in case people don't know what that is. Marshall Rosenberg, the creator and founder of Nonviolent Communication, liked to have fun and play. And in the spirit of levity, he gave two animals, he made them representations of different parts of language in nonviolent communication. So the jackal is the animal who runs in packs, is close to the ground. This is, you might see him look like this, also called wolf in Europe. Jackals feed on speed, they're hierarchical, they're about judgment, evaluation, and yet we love our jackals because our jackals lead us to the heart and the needs that are met or unmet for us. And that language is represented by the giraffe. So you'll often hear giraffe language, giraffe ears, and there's a lot of reasons that Marshall chose the giraffe, but the main one is that it's the land animal with the largest heart. So it's a heart-based language, and there's many more. With this particular offering, I focus on the jackal. And the reason why is because I often hear, and know that's an evaluation, which is jackal language, I hear that NVCers are nice and we ought to not have judgments and, oh, that's not compassionate if you have a judgment. That's not really the case. That's not true. Jackals, they are full of energy and passion, and they are life expressing themselves. So if we don't allow that life to express itself through our mouth or in some way that we get it out, it will come out in a way that we're unaware of. So in Dancing with the Jackals, it gives space for us to have our evaluations and our judgments and to see what they're needing. And I call it dancing because it's fun. It's a way to move with those judgments and evaluations that we have without creating more shame and blaming them and blaming ourselves for having them. This is a shorter series than the Dancing with the Jackals. I set it up as a 3-part series. This particular offering will be 1 part. So it's a taster. It's a little glimpse into what's possible. And my hope is that there will be some takeaways. There'll be some actual doable things that you can do, we can do, to transform our jackals into giraffe. Well, my hope is that that some of the shame and blame that we have can be some relief around that, some alleviation, acceptance, self-acceptance and acceptance for others, a little bit shifting of our thought process, and a tool or two to have fun. Some games we play to have fun with the jackals. Yeah, I hope to see you there. I hope that people come with plenty of judgment and have the willingness to express those evaluations and judgments in this space.